If we do it here, then I can't participate unless someone else takes screenshots.
Oh man. So we creeper. Oh man. So we back in.
This is taking way too long, cause people in this chat lame. What if we did Fallen Kingdom instead?
Creeper. Oh man. So we back in the mine. Got our pickaxe swinging from. Chunks would load when I gave the word.
Now in the morning I sleep alone.
What? What the fuck? GG. Wait. It's side to side forehead. What the fuck, but you threw the Fallen Kingdom one. Wait. This is the OG Viva La Vida. Fuck.
Creeper.
Get this weep shit fucking off my screen right now.